Hi everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner, and behind me is the whole Schaffner pack. All of my puppies are joining me for this video, so please bear with me. They may have to make their own comments about what I receive today. Today, as promised, I am unbagging Nadine West. And if you're not familiar with Nadine West, I'll just give you the short version. It's a style service. You go to their website, nadinewest.com. You fill out a very, very short style profile. And then someone, I'm assuming a stylist, sends you anything that they want to. You have 10 days to send it back. And there is no checkout. You just send it back, and then they charge you for anything that you keep. And then they send another bag. You can get those bags every 2 weeks or once a month, or maybe on demand as well. I'm not sure. So they do charge $9.78, I believe, for shipping. And that cost is deducted from anything that you choose to buy in your bag. And I will tell you, I don't know how it happened. I honestly don't know how I finally got VIP status with them. But I don't have to pay that $9.78 now. They just send me bags for free, and I can keep anything I want. So I have no guilt about sending everything in this bag back at this point. When you have to pay the shipping fees or the styling fees, I'm always compelled to buy something. I don't like to lose my styling fees. They send clothing and they send jewelry, and it is all very affordable, and sometimes it is very cheap. I say cheap, it's not always high quality stuff. So I've had some luck though. I have scored some really fun pieces from Nadine West. So let's just get in this bag. Okay, we've got our return mailer and we have our prices, and everything comes wrapped in plastic, and we have 2 bundles there. So let's look at our bundles. This one, ooh, we've got an interesting plaid in there. We've got some purple, and those look like almost like wooden buttons. This has got some colors I kind of like. I bet that's a dress of some sort. And we've got a mauve-y color there. So let's see. You know what? I don't normally do this, but let's look real quick at the prices. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. And the most expensive thing is a top. It is $35.49, and the cheapest thing in here is earrings for $10.99. So I'll go over all of that with you at the end. Let's look at this first bundle. Purple. This is kind of an dark eggplant purple top. This is by MOA USA. I wonder if it's made in the USA. Wow, look, a long sleeve tunic. That's got to be a tunic. This cannot be a dress. This looks like something I might possibly, but probably not, would wear in the fall. So I'm going to try it on for you, but that doesn't look promising. And then we have a green and gold with some white. This is kind of a teal and gold white Henley top. It's got a pocket here, and of course we have tab sleeves. These are actually my high school colors almost. It's not teal, but the green. A long way from high school. And this again, this is a knit blend, but it's pretty thick. It feels like nice quality. It doesn't seem season appropriate. Okay, let's break into the next bundle. This is, okay, is this a top? Again, super short. If this is a dress, it's way too short. And, but it's pretty. I mean, I think this would make a lovely dress. I like the fabric and whatnot. I know it's kind of blowing out the camera, but real simple. This is Zanana Outfitters, and they send a lot of Zanana Outfitters. So I will try this on as a tunic. I think this is super, super short for a dress. And then we've got some jewelry bags in here. Lots and lots of jewels. And this is a t-shirt by Bailey Collections. And this is the mauve t-shirt. Do we have any? Oh, look, this looks like something, this looks very similar to the t-shirt I received in Natalie Attired with that. This is not a cross detail, but we've got that little knot detail. This looks plenty long and actually promising. You know what? I didn't tell you who made this Henley. The Henley is by Alter Ego. And then it's got a Nadine West tag, so I'm wondering if that's not exclusive to Nadine West. Oh, breaking into the jewelry next. I have no idea what this is. Is this necklace? So that's the necklace. And look at that chain. That's really a nice chain. I don't know though. It's I don't know. Kind of big. Okay, let's try jewels number 2. I saw someone, these are some earrings, and I saw someone receive earrings very similar to this. Elijah, here, have the paper. You really want something in this bag. Okay, this is what the earrings look like. And, well, let me try it on this one. Maybe the light is better. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe not too bad. And the last jewelry piece. Oh, these are pretty. These are by Festival. And these are kind of pretty. Let me just see. I don't know if we get a good picture of that. These earrings. Anyway. Trust me when I tell you, they could look like kind of a hammered silver. So we're going to try everything on for you. This is the MOA USA top, and you know what? I like it better on my body than I did when I was unbagging it. This is a really lightweight top, and this is what it looks like. So is this weird that it's longer in the front than it is in the back? I'm just wearing my trunk club skirt, but let me get up close so you can see this button detail. And these really are cool buttons. They almost look like wood. So I like that. And this is the sleeves all the way down. It's, you know what, this is actually a piece that could be worn through the warmer summer months, but it's such a dark color. And I know purple is in supposedly right now, but this is such a dark purple. Let me get up close so you can see the necklace. It falls at a length where it just keeps going inside of this top, but that's the necklace. This top is $27.99 and this necklace is $18.99. Okay, this is the Alter Ego Henley, and this is 100% polyester. You know what else? This is the most expensive thing in this bag. This is the $35.49 top, which is like a normal price for a blouse, but when it comes from Nadine West, I'm like, it might as well be $350. I'm like, wow, that's so expensive, but this top actually feels really nice. It's a polyester blend. It is made in Vietnam, and this blouse is a size large, and I'm glad they didn't send me anything smaller because this is just a perfect fit. In fact, it feels a bit snug. So this is what it looks like, and these colors are just so vibrant. I like that. Again, I don't think that it feels dark and it doesn't feel summery, and it also feels a little bit warm. We have that pocket right there, and this is as far as it buttons up. And I kind of like that. Well, it doesn't sit perfect, but so you can see that necklace, and I think the necklace looks much prettier with this outfit than with the purple one. Okay, these long dangly earrings are called Wild Triangles, and these are $14.99. Wow, they're like statement earrings, aren't they? This is the Zanana Outfitters top, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of long. I'll stand back so you can see how long it is. It does say that it's a top. This is only $17.49, and I don't know, it looks so maternity-like. Look, I'm expecting a grandbaby. I wish. But anyway, wouldn't it be cuter if it was like this length? I think. I'm just disappointed because I like this top. This top is 100% polyester. It's made in Cambodia, and this is a size small. These sizes are like out there, but everything seems to be fitting okay. But I don't know. This feels really long, and that's kind of disappointing because it does feel like it's a lined blouse, and so nothing is showing, and I like it. I would purchase it if it was this length. I'm going to give you a close-up of the earrings, and I can't open them. I can't get them out to try them on, and I have, you know, I just look at it. They're very pretty. They're $10.99. This is the cheapest thing in this bag, and I think that's a great price. I have a lot of earrings very similar to this, so I'm not even going to try them on. I would rather have like pom-poms or tassel earrings or something like that. This is the Bailey Collections t-shirt in kind of a mauve pink color, and I love it. This is polyester with I think 5% spandex in it. It feels amazing. It's a very, very soft tee with this detail in the front, which if you watch my videos, you know I like the detail on the t-shirts. I think they're just a lot of fun. Let me lift up. I didn't do that in my Natalie Attired. I think this one is a little bit longer than the tee in the Natalie Attired. Oh, necklace is gone. So this is just a plain simple tee. It's $17.99. This is my favorite thing in the bag. Hold on, I want to try something. Okay, how does it look with this kimono? Yes, I kept the kimono, and I am just bent on wearing this to see if I enjoy wearing a kimono, but I think there's kind of some mauve-ish colors in this kimono. I thought I saw. Oh, it's more of a peach color right there, but so what do you think about this? Is this combination better than the coral tee that I purchased from my last box? I'm going to let you girls know about my experience once I wear this out of my house, but I'm enjoying this tee, and we'll be right back with final thoughts. Okay, that's my Nadine West. The total of all 7 items is $143.43, bringing the average price to $20.49 for each piece. So if I look at it like that, that's a really great price. For this is $17.49. I'm keeping it. I would pay $20 for this t-shirt. I love this t-shirt. I mean, I like this t-shirt. I'm going to wear this t-shirt all summer long. I am certain about that. You know, it's surprising, I liked this blouse. I'm not crazy about the length of this blouse, but I like the blouse a lot. And this blouse is $17.49. Isn't it funny? I like all the inexpensive things in this box, and it has nothing to do with the price tags on it. I am wearing the earrings. I thought, you know what? I'm going to just break it open and try them on. And these are the hammered silver earrings. What do you think about them? I'm kind of liking them. They're a little bit simpler. These are $10.99, and I'm actually considering keeping them, even though I have similar. These are still a little bit different. Now these ones for $18. Oh, these were $14.99. These are just they're just too much for me. I can't do these, and so they're going back. And this necklace, the necklace is the one that was $18.99, and this feels like a nice quality necklace. I will never reach for this. That I'm sure about that. This could go in my closet, and it will never be worn. It will. My closet. I have a big jewelry closet. It would never be worn. So there's no sense in keeping that. Now the tops. This top feels really, really nice. It just doesn't feel season appropriate. I don't want to buy winter items right now. So that's going to be a no for me this time. And that was the most expensive thing in the box. And then the last thing was this Aurora purple top for $27.99. And this one surprised me. It is very lightweight. It is the color that gets me. It feels like a fall color to me. And I know purple is what I should be wearing, and I'm not. So, ladies, I can't wait to hear what you think about this Nadine West unbagging. Again, if you want to try Nadine West, all the information is in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask you to please subscribe? Just hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And I have a Stitch Fix coming out for you in 2 days. And I'll tell you, I upped my prices on Stitch Fix, so I can't wait to see what I will receive at a higher price point. And I'm really hoping that I can afford what I just did with Stitch Fix. But anyway, this is Nadine West. This isn't Stitch Fix. And I have certainly enjoyed unboxing this, unbagging this with you. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Blessings to all of you.